Nexo, in a real sense, is a coin that generally is right now exchanged at $0.578030 per unit. With the market capitalization of $323,696,579. That truly makes it a low-position cryptographic money, which is very critical. Computerized resources like Nexo especially have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for most certainly enormous institutional financial backers, who in a real sense see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a fundamentally powerful in every way that really matters. Support against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which truly is very huge. Recently, on September 1st, the cost of Nexo in a real sense remained at $0.581141 at the end of the kind of everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.78% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing value 7 days prior. On August 26, the Nexo market fundamentally remained at $0.592273 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, essentially further appearance how yesterday, on September 1st, the cost of Nexo especially remained at $0.581141 at the end of the all things considered day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 1.78% distinction when contrasted with the fundamentally current value 7 days prior. On August 26, the Nexo market fundamentally remained at $0.592273 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an especially large manner. As the outcome, the cost explicitly moved by 0% comparable to its essentially present standing. A month prior, on August 2, Nexo truly was estimated at $0.643813, which especially matched with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period in a quite enormous manner. Contrasted with the current place of Nexo, it addresses a 10.22% cost move in every way that really matters, large way. These figures ought to yield you some understanding into the extremely current market structure, while our inside and out cost conjecture depends on the appearances of CVIX, which especially is genuinely critical. In any case, to grasp the very generally speaking essentially capability of Nexo, or any genuinely other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's vital to explicitly consider the cost vacillations, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource, which sort of is genuinely huge. At the point when it basically comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves commonly more as a sign of the coin's offer, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its, in every practical sense, generally speaking, prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a truly significant manner. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key pointer to especially be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which truly is very huge. It for the most part is determined by duplicating the truly complete number of coins that in every practical sense are right now available for use, circling supply, by the genuinely current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by certainly remains at $0.578030, which certainly is genuinely critical. Considering that recipe, we in every practical sense have determined the really current market capitalization of Nexo to be at $323,696,579, which legitimizes its place as the 72nd coin among these exceptionally present on the cryptographic money market in a very significant manner. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Nexo for the most part remained at $325,438,690, by and large keep going weak. On August 26, the especially aggregate sum of certainly capital committed to Nexo especially was laid out at $331,672,729. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 2, generally shows that Nexo basically had a market capitalization of $360,535,196. So when it sort of comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly by and large prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a very significant manner. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that, for the most part, have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and in a real sense, are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders sort of cool wallets in an exceptionally huge manner. The essentially complete inventory likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, fundamentally further appearance. How the truly all-out supply additionally considers any coins that by and large have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It can fundamentally measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that essentially is public on the securities exchange in a quite huge manner. The very absolute stock of Nexo presently especially remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo, showing that when it generally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside it certainly by and large ubiquity, with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Or so they sort of thought. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in a real sense is the most normally utilized in every way that really matters metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. Or so they certainly thought. It relates with the kind of the best estimation of the general number of coins that really are public on digital money trades, and especially add to their liquidity in an especially significant manner. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that in a real sense are vested, marked in exceptionally shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in a real sense put unavailable for general use, showing how advanced resources like Nexo in a real sense have currently explicitly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for certainly retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for enormous institutional financial backers, who most certainly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as an especially successful fence against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which really is very huge. The flowing stockpile really is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange in a sort of large manner. At this moment, the coursing supply of Nexo truly is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo, showing how the extremely complete inventory likewise considers any coins that in every practical sense have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. Truly further appearance how the all-out supply likewise considers any coins that in a real sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate. Or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with truly deciding certainly better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves pattern inversions or solidifications frequently sort of happen at the cost levels that for the most part are joined by generally beautiful high volume, since those generally are the volumes where large